Hi guys. So monotonic function means increasing or decreasing function. So we have a function, it's a equation in terms of polynomial function, log function, exponential function, and the composite function also. So we have a equation, and we want to collect the intervals at which this given function is increasing or decreasing, and what is the parameters to check this, that this function is decreasing or increasing. So we will collect the first derivative, and the first derivative of the function, if it is greater than 0, then it will be increasing. If it is less than 0, means negative, then it will be decreasing. And maybe more than one intervals at which the function is f dash x greater than 0. So we will combine these intervals with union, and the union of these interval will show increasing function. And if we have more than one decreasing values intervals at which f dash x less than 0, so that will be decreasing function, right? So right now we are taking the question. So we have a function, and we want to collect the intervals at which the function fx is increasing or decreasing. So for getting this, first the working rule is number 1, we obtain f dash x, first derivative. Second, we put this f dash x equal to 0 and solve it for value of x. Then we will collect the values x, and after this we will make intervals. And remember, this total number of intervals will be it's one more as the values of x. So total values of x plus 1. So we have two values. So when we will get three intervals, we have three values, just like in cubic. Then we will get the four intervals. So after making the intervals, we will check. We put the any value within the interval. So we have any interval, and we put the value, let us consider in between value, and on that value we get f dash x greater than 0. Then the function will be increasing. And that interval at which f dash x is less than 0, then function will be decreasing. Or if we have more than one intervals, then we will use union. All those intervals at which f dash x is greater than 0, then the union of those intervals will show increasing function, and same way we will go for decreasing function. So we have a question, find the intervals on which the function fx equals to x cube plus 2x square minus 1, and we will check is it increasing or decreasing. So find the intervals. On which the given function fx is 2x, it is x cube plus 2x square minus 1 is number 1 increasing and number 2 is decreasing. So we will focus on intervals. So what is the working rule for getting this? So first we have a function fx, it is x cube plus 2x square minus 1. So this is our question. So first we will get f dash x, it will be 3x square plus 4x, or so on taking common we get 3x plus 4. So next is we put f dash x equals to 0 and x into 3x plus 4 equals to 0, and we will obtain the values of x. So there will be two values, x is 0 or x is minus 4 by 3. So these are two terminal values. Just like this, we have two rails at the position x equals to minus 4 by 3 and x equals to 0. So if train is coming on the track and where are you? If you are in between the rails, then you will be in loss because the train mesh you. So loss means negative. If you jump on either side, on right side, on left side, then you will be alive and you will be in profit, means positive. So on we will make the intervals, and it is positive infinity and this is minus infinity. So we get the two values, and now we make the intervals. So the possibilities of intervals then more than one, as we get the values of x. So we have the two values, x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 4 by 3. So we have two intervals, three intervals more than one, and the values of x. So intervals will be minus infinity to minus 4 by 3, 0 to means minus 4 by 3 to 0. As a number line we will use this, negative to positive, and third one is 0 to positive infinity. So you have right now these three intervals, and you want to check on which interval the function is increasing and on which interval function is decreasing. So like first we are taking this, so at minus infinity to minus 4 by 3, so we will put any value in between these in the first derivative. So first derivative is this, we have, like we are taking the value, let x is minus 2 and we put this value in the f dash x. So f dash x is x into 3x plus 4. So when you put minus 2, so we get first factor is minus 2 and then 3 into minus 2 plus 4. So you get minus 2, and this is minus 6 plus 4 is again minus 2. So you have two negative values. As a result, you will achieve a result positive. So as we have discussed, if you jump on left hand side from this terminal, this point, this rail, then you will be in profit and a positive. Positive means the function will be increasing, so the fx increasing on this function in this interval, right? So for getting second interval at minus 4 by 3 to 0, so we can pick value like minus 1. So we are taking, let x is minus 1 in between these two values. So when you put this in f dash x, so f dash x is it is x into 3x plus 4. Now on putting this, we get minus 1, and 3 into minus 1 plus 4. So it is minus 1, and this is positive 1, and the result will be minus and positive. The product of negative term and positive term, it will be negative. So f dash x is negative, means according to this, if you are in between these two rails, you will be in loss and negative. Negative sense करेगा decreasing. So this function fx is decreasing on interval minus 4 by 3 to 0. And now the last one, third interval is, so on third interval, that is 0 to positive infinity. So just like we can consider 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. So let x is 2, positive 2. So on putting this value, f dash x will be 2 into 3 into 2 plus 4. So first factor is positive, and this is again 10, it is also positive. So multiplication of two positive factor is positive, means f dash x is greater than 0, or you can say positive. So the function is increasing on this. So we have three intervals, in which we have two intervals, first and third, we get f dash x is positive. It means function is increasing. So these are two intervals. So answer will be first is minus infinity to minus 4 by 3 union 0 to positive infinity. So these two intervals gives f dash x greater than 0, that is fx is increasing on these intervals. While at minus 4 by 3 comma 0, we get f dash x less than 0 or negative, means fx is decreasing. Find the intervals on which the function fx equals to 5 plus 36x plus 3x square minus 2x cube is increasing or decreasing. So the solution will be, we have a function fx is minus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 36x plus 5. So first we will get first derivative of this function. So it will be minus 6x square plus 6x plus 36, and 6 is in common, so we get x square minus x minus 6. So it is, then the factors are x plus x minus 3 into x plus 2. So this is f dash x. So we put this first derivative equal to 0 for getting the values of x. It means minus 6 into x minus 3 and x plus 2 equals to 0. So we obtain x is minus 2 or x is plus 3. So the intervals will be minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to plus 3, and last one is 3 to infinity. So if you have two values of x, then you have three intervals, one extra. Now we will check on which interval the function is increasing and on which interval it is decreasing. And remember one thing, the first highest degree term is negative. And f dash x, on factorization we get minus 6 x minus 3 and x plus 2, right? So we have three intervals. First we take the first interval minus infinity to minus 2. So it is the first interval, so at which if we consider the value is minus 3, so it will be f dash x will be it's a minus 6 minus 3 and minus 3 plus 2. So we get minus factor, and this is again minus 6 and it is minus 1, so it is minus. So three negative terms are in product, so as a result we get negative, means f dash x is negative. Or if it is negative, that means given function fx is decreasing at minus infinity to minus 2. Now the second interval, that is minus 2 to positive 3. So we can take any value between minus 2 and 3. Let us consider we are taking 0. So on putting this value in this expression, so we have minus 6, 0 minus 3 and 0 plus 2. So first factor is negative, second is negative, and third is positive. So the product of these three factors, minus minus is positive and positive with positive is again positive. So f dash x is positive. It means fx given function is increasing at minus 2 to 3, and the third interval is 3 to infinity. So we can consider any value of x let us consider 4. So on putting this value, -6, 4 minus 3 and 4 plus 2. So it is negative, this is positive and this is positive. So positive positive and positive negative is negative. So we get the negative value. Now the first derivative is negative and it indicates the function is decreasing at third open interval 3 to this. So as a result we have two decreasing function and one is increasing, means as a result minus infinity to -2 union 3 to infinity. So these two intervals function is decreasing. And at -2 to 3 fx is positive, f dash x is positive, so function is increasing.